My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2018 Renault Trafic camper. This is a diesel vehicle with a manual transmission, and it has done just under 70,000 miles. This camper is 2-berth, as we can see from the double bed, which also doubles up as a sofa. We also have a fridge, 2 charging ports underneath, and as we step inside, we can see the cooker and sink. As we can see on the screen, this camper comes with a reversing camera, and if we press home, we can see features such as Bluetooth and Apple CarPlay. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.